Hi, Paul. Let's take a look at your course's information in the WIDS system. So you can see on the screen, I've already logged into WIDS. And what I'm going to do at the left then, or here's what I want you to do, enter your catalog number in the search box. And it's always the 8-digit number for your course. Okay, and then go ahead and click search. You won't have any of these courses in the middle. Those are my courses assigned to me. But after you search for it, the name of the course will appear, and you can go ahead and click on it to pull up all of the course's information. Okay, so in this unit, we're looking for the exit learning outcomes for the course. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click related outcomes in the blue, and then there are our exit learning outcomes. There's always three. Or there are always three potential areas for information. Core workforce skills, program outcomes, and external standards. Now, you and I won't have, I don't think you'll have any external standards, because an external standard would be like a certification, a national certification exam. And because your course is exploratory, it shouldn't have any of those. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and we'll take a look together. Nope, none. So that's okay, right? That's expected. I don't believe you have any program outcomes identified either. And that's because, again, this course is exploratory. It's too early in the student's experience to have to tie it to program outcomes. Program outcomes are what we want our graduates to walk out the door with. And we don't have to hit them over the head in the first course. We can build those in later. All right, what I don't know is if you have any core workforce skills. So let's take a look at that. Nope. So no current core workforce skills are built into this course. That might be something that you want to suggest to your program director, is just to examine if any could be built in or should be built into the course, if that would help the student's development in that way. But I wanted to show you in this quick little video how to look up that information here in the WIDS system. If you have any questions, you can email me at any time.